So hey guys, welcome back to my channel for tutorials. So guys, today I create new style of light ray effect with using Element 3D plugin. So firstly guys, I'm going to create a new composition, this one. And guys, duration I use 20 second. Yeah, press OK, right? Okay, so now guys, I show you my texture. See guys, that's my simple texture. This one and this one. Guys, you can download this texture from my website, it's free. So select all and drag and drop in project here. Yeah. So next step guys, I take new solid layer and E3D layer name, and guys select this texture, drag and drop on here. Yeah. And hide. Guys select this E3D layer and apply Element 3D plugin, this one. Yeah. And same guys, go to custom layer and apply all textures like this. Yeah, right. Okay, so guys, go to screen setup. Yes, that's my screen setup. And now guys, this time I take only this cube. Yeah, and cube chamfer take 0. Yeah, right. Okay, so now guys, select this material and go to diffuse and apply this one. Yeah, and brightness I like 50 and go to illumination and guys same blue and brightness I like 50, right? Okay, so guys, go to down and go to illumination, this one, use diffuse color check and intensity like 50. Yeah, that's it guys. See, right? Okay, so now guys, I create transparent, so go to advanced and normal to change add. Yes, right. See, also guys, I change UV and guys go to here box model and select and UV repeat I like 2 and 2. Yeah, this is also good, right? Okay, so guys, see, that's my first box. And now guys, select this box and duplicate, Control D. Yes, and select this box, go to setting. Guys, box size, this one, scale size, go to down like 85, actually 80. Yes, and guys, select this box. Okay, so now guys, I change material, so select this default material and duplicate and select. Guys, only change color, texture, so like this one. Yeah, simple. And this one. Yeah, and apply on box model. Yes, see, right? Okay, so guys, now next one, select this box and again Control D and guys, scale size like 60. Yeah, and select this default material and duplicate. And now guys, I change texture like this and last one. Yeah, and apply box model. Yes, see guys, that's my texture, beautiful texture, right? Okay, so guys, my texture is finished. Now I change HDR environment light, go to environment and environment light I like this one. Yeah, that's really beautiful, right? Okay, so guys, you can change color like warm. Yes, better. Okay, so guys, press OK. That's my simple cubes. And guys, go to lighting and use warm. Actually take anyone, single is good. And guys, go to ambient occlusion and intensity like 5. Yeah, so now guys, I take camera and camera check and press C and closer like this and rotate like this. Yeah, see guys, that's my simple cube. and little bit more rotate. Yeah, right. Okay, so now I select this E3D layer and I create animation. So go to group 1 and go to here. Guys, go to particle look. Yeah, go to deformer, this one. Yes, and see guys, that's my twist. Guys, go to here, twist and enable check. Yeah, see guys, that's my rotation effect like this, right? It's my different style of animation. See, it's really good, right? See, okay. So now guys, you can take any effect on here. So go to here, twist. I like this one. Yeah, so go to here like 0, all 0, and Y twist check, and go to last one, 20-second, and Y 1. Yeah, and play. Yes, see guys, that's my simple effect. And yeah, right. Okay, so now guys, take little bit time because that's my heavy particles. So stop now guys. I create polyeffects effect. So go to noise and enable check, enable. Yeah, and see guys, that's my intensity, and intensity like this. See, right, that's my intensity. Okay, so guys, 0 intensity and 0 frame, and guys, holding alt key and intensity check. Yeah, and type time star like 200, enter. Yeah, and go to back and play. Yes, see guys, that's my poly effect, right? Okay, so guys, my animation is finished. It's really good. And now guys, I create lighting. So stop this animation guys, stop, and go to back and select this E3D layer and duplicate, Control D, and rename E3D 2. Yeah, guys, select this E3D 2 and go to output and take emulsion. Yeah, and to take add. Yeah, and go to glow. Guys, go to effect and preset and type glow. Select and glow and apply on second layer. Yeah, and guys, threshold I like 50 and radius 50. Yes, and guys, select this glow and duplicate, Control D. Yeah, and this time guys, radius I like 100. Yeah, right. Okay, so now guys, this time I take guys new solid layer for background, BG, background. Yeah, and go to down. Guys, apply ramp effect, ramp, and apply. Yeah, and take dark red color. Yeah, like this, and change liner. Yes, right, see, that's my background. Okay, so guys, my background is really good and little bit lighter. Yeah, that's it, right? Okay, so now guys, select this E3D layer, and this time I apply light effect and take CC light ray. Select the CC light ray and apply on E3D 2. Yeah, and go on here like this. And guys, intensity I like 300. Yeah, beautiful. And radius 50. Yeah, and guys, select this CC light ray, duplicate, and go on left side. Yes, see guys, that's really awesome light effect, right? See, okay, so now guys, my lighting is finished, so fit to 100%. And guys, for color correction I take adjustment layer and use curve effect. Select this curve, apply an adjustment layer and little bit down and up, create curve like this. Yeah, really awesome. So preview and play. Okay, see guys, that's my final effect. Okay, so guys, that's it. My final effect is complete. So if you like my video, please share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.